Hi, I'm John Boehner. I recently received an email from Floyd, a small businessman from Westchester, Ohio, who told me that high energy costs are hurting his business, and he'd like to know what I'm doing to help bring down the prices. Well, Floyd, House Republicans are committed to a true all-of-the-above energy approach that will lower energy prices and create good American jobs. That means we need to see more affordable energy options for the entire country, not less. And to this end, the House will vote this week on two more bills that will expand American energy production. One of those bills is the Offshore Energy and Jobs Act. It will increase energy production by unlocking our nation's most resource-rich offshore areas. Rest assured, Floyd, addressing the high cost of energy by removing unnecessary government barriers to responsible domestic energy production will remain a top priority for the Republican House. Thanks again for your questions. If you have a question that you'd like to ask, please visit johnboehner.house.gov and contact me today.